in one purport, in one place, Prabhupada is giving a very nice, a little, he uses some words which really strike us, how we are being compared to like animals when we engage in material sense gratification. Dharmena hina pashubi samana. So there is one verse which says, Vishaya Trisho. Trisho means you are hankering. Eager, Trishna, that eagerness. So Vishaya Trisho, if you are eager for Vishayaha, then Nara Pashavo. Vishaya Trisho, Nara Pashavo. That means Nara, this human being, is like a Pashavaha if he is Trisha, eager for Vishayaha. And in the word-to-word meaning, in the translation and in the purport, Prabhupada is, giving different, very nicely is explaining. So, in the word-to-word meaning, Prabhupada is explaining, Nara Pashavaha, he says, man-like animals, if you are engaging in sense gratification. We are animals only, just man-like. And in the translation, Prabhupada writes, we are animals in the human form of life. You see, there's absolutely no difference, just that we have this body called the human being. We are animals in the human form of life. And then further in the purport, Prabhupada is writing, Nara Pashava, he is explaining that those who are only engaged in sense gratifications are in the shape of humans but acting like animals. We have a shape, this human body has a shape. So we are in the shape of humans but acting like animals. So imagine man-like animals, animals in the human form of life, and shape of humans but acting like animals. This is called Vishaya Trisho Nara Pashavo. And that's why elsewhere also we are human beings are sometimes described as Dvipada Pashu. Dvipada Pashu means we have a Pashu which is Chatushpada and we are two-legged animals. So this is how the scriptures compare human beings who are engaged in sense gratification. Practically on the animal platform. So this is one of why. Now you may think that, oh, this is a very strong comparison. What is this? Why is it like this? So why are they doing like this? Why are the scriptures saying that, Nara Pashava? Why are they saying? Because we have to understand that sense gratification is available in all species of life. And it is specially more enjoyable in the animal species. Prabhupada gives so many examples like the pigeons, the birds, and so many other animals have a greater sense enjoyment than the human beings. So because sense enjoyment is available in all forms of life, it should strike us. So then why I have taken birth as a human in the human form? Because in the human form I have something which is not there in the human form which is not there in the animal form of life. And that something is Krishna consciousness. But unfortunately, because of our conditioning, we are getting attracted to sense gratification. So that's why a devotee prays to the Lord, my dear Lord, please take me out of the sense gratification. Please engage me in your devotional service. I have too much attraction for sense gratification. We are trying with our chanting, with our reading, and with so many things. So a devotee just cries out to the Lord, please help me. If the devotee genuinely, if the devotee understands that yes, I am entangled and my only savior is the Supreme Lord, and prays to the Supreme Lord, a heartful prayer like Bhaktivedanta Thakur prays, Vishaya je priti ebe achaye amara. He's praying Vishaya je priti. I have got priti. I have got lot of like for Vishaya, for sense gratification. Vishaya je priti ebe achaye amara. I have. Shei mate priti hok charane tomara. in the kind of attraction that I have for sense gratification, my Lord, my prayer is, Shrimate Preeti, that same kind of attachment, attraction, be there for your lotus feet. Charane Tomar.